Hello, I'm Lori Holyfield. I'm an attorney with Douglas and Runger in Bartlett, Tennessee, serving Shelby, Fayette, and Tipton counties in southwest Tennessee. This video is part of a series I'm doing on divorce myths that just will not die. Today's myth is actually several myths, and it relates to how we calculate child support in Tennessee. The first myth is that it's based on the actual expenses of raising a child. It used to be that each parent would submit, this is what I'm spending on the child, and the court would assess child support based on that, and that is no longer the case. There's now a formula. The second myth is that it's based just on the father's income and doesn't take anything else into account. That's no longer the case. It used to be, before about 2006, that the court would just base it on what the father's income was, and it would be 21% of the dad's net income for one child, 32% for two children, so on and so forth. But that is no longer the case. The third myth is that you can just agree on how much child support you're going to have, or you can waive child support. That typically is not allowed to happen. It would have to be a very unusual situation for a court to agree to that. So how is child support calculated? It is based on each parent's gross income monthly, the number of days per year that each parent is spending with each of the children, and how much each parent is spending on work-related child care expenses and health insurance coverage of the children. So it's a complex formula. It also takes into account any other children under the age of 18 or who haven't graduated that the parent is paying to support, whether that child or children lives with the parent or out of the home of the child and the parent's paying child support, so on and so forth. If you have questions about how child support would be calculated in your specific situation, give me a call. You can reach me at 901-388-5190. Again, I'm Lori Holyfield.